Commission spreadsheets always give you headaches? Forma.ai promises to turn your incentive strategy into an AI-powered revenue lever, not a stress-inducing task. But is it a game changer, or just more complexity wrapped in fancy visuals? Let's find out. Forma.ai is an AI-powered sales performance management (SPM) platform that combines incentive compensation, quota planning, territory modeling, and forecasting, all in one unified interface. Built for ambitious enterprises, it pushes past traditional rule-based systems to deliver real-time modeling, transparency, and agility. In this review, we'll break down what it actually does, how pricing works, what users love, potential drawbacks, and whether it could fit your team's needs. Here's what sets Forma.ai apart. AI-powered plan design. No more formula gymnastics. Just describe your incentive logic, and AI translates it into executable rules. Performance modeling and optimization. Preview how quota or comp changes rip through your sales results before turning them live. Real-time dashboards. Reps, leaders, and finance teams can see live progress, earnings allocations, and leaderboards on demand. End-to-end comp ops workflow. From data validation to payouts to compliance, everything happens within one platform without spreadsheet handoffs. Enterprise scalability. Built to handle global teams, multi-currency rules, audit trails, and regulatory controls. Pricing snapshot. Custom quote-based pricing. No list tiers. Forma.ai designs your package based on company size, use cases, and deployment complexity. One-time implementation fee. Covers guided setup and smooth onboarding. Tier-free model. You pick the components like modeling tools, dashboards, or integrations, and your team gets a tailored price. What users love. Clarity and transparency. Users consistently praise how easy it is to see earnings and goals at a glance on clean dashboards. Speed and accuracy. Planning and payouts that once took days now happen within minutes without formula errors. Smart modeling tools. AI-assisted modeling helps leaders test what-if scenarios faster than ever. Support rated highly. Implementation and ongoing support routinely get shoutouts for reliability and responsiveness. Where it falls short. Steep learning curve. Power means complexity. Teams need training to harness its full value. Opaque costs. Without pricing transparency, it's hard to budget before discovery. Occasional data lag. Some users report delays or misaligned dashboards near month-end processing. Overwhelming interface for casual users. The flood of features can feel daunting for small volume teams. If you're running a modern, fast-growing sales team with complex comp structures and you want automation, modeling power, and transparency, Forma.ai is a standout. It turns compensation from a liability into an analytical advantage. If you're a small team with simpler needs, though, a leaner tool may be more appropriate, or perhaps wait until your comp requirements scale. Forma.ai brings next-gen AI to sales comp. Smart, precise, and built for scale, but it does come with enterprise complexity. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the hardest part of compensation planning for your team? I'd love to help you figure it out. Catch you next time.